Hello everyone! Today we will be checking out the EKSA GT1 gaming earbuds. They are specially designed for gamers to wear. The packaging is exceptionally nice. Inside the packaging we have user manual, 2 pairs of ear tips, as well cable USB, and the EKSA GT1 earbuds. The earbuds are surprisingly small, so they fit easily in your ears without causing any discomfort or pain. I like the design. It looks really sleek, simple, and stylish. Gaming earbuds are usually very lightweight, so it's quite ideal for gamers, and I think these EKSA GT1 gaming earbuds are one of the lightest gaming earbuds I have used so far. They are very light and comfortable, and you can easily forget that you are wearing them. I have been playing a lot of games using these earbuds, and I feel the sound quality is good and it's loud, without distorting the sound, and the bass is really clear without overwhelming the sound. Overall, the sound quality is good. These earbuds have a runtime of up to 36 hours. Thanks for watching.